What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. I'm doing an unboxing of the Jabra Elite Active 65T. Now, I know I'm a little late on this. I'm not too much of an audiophile, but I happened to pick this up at Best Buy, and I wanted to give these a try. Now, this has its own secure fitting earbuds. It does have proven wireless technology. It does come with a 2-year warranty. I'll bring it up close, you can read that. It is voice assistant enabled, up to 5 hours of battery life with a 15-hour charging case. So you can get 2 to 2.5 charges for these earbuds with the case that they come in. Now, I pretty much reassembled the box because I've been using these for a few days now, but I wanted to give you the unboxing presentation and what's on the inside. Have this Welcome to Superior Sound. You have the Get Started Elite Active book. Also, you can register your 2-year warranty. You do have the actual carrying case, which is also a charging cradle. So as you can see on the bottom, it's a micro mini charge opening. And there's also a green light that sits above the actual charging, so you can see how the charging is going. It starts off red, then it goes to green to let you know the case has fully charged. The earbuds casing is made of plastic, do have nice clicky buttons. It does have labeling on the inside to let you know right to left ear. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. You also get a charging cable, and you get earbuds of various sizes, but if any of these work, you can also go to Amazon. I know most people like the composite foam earbuds, so these are very easily removed and can be replaced. So you can pretty much customize this however you want, either with what they got, or you can buy some earbuds from Amazon. Real quick, as they sit in the cradle, let me see how this set this up right. They have to be set in the cradle a certain way to start the charging process. Once they're in there, you can see the little green light. If that light goes out, it could be that it's already fully charged, or it's not sitting in the cradle in the correct manner. And like I said, you can get up to 2 full charges with this. It does have 5 hours, so you can get through a full day with this without any kind of problems. Now, what you would need to do is download the Jabra Sound Plus app. Now, if you're on a Samsung phone, I think they also request that you download an adjoining app called Jabra Services, which I had to download because when I launched the app, it requested that I added that particular app to help it function and run a little bit more smoother. I did download this Jabra Service app. It's pretty much just a companion app. It's not a standalone app. What it does is integrates itself with the Jabra Sound Plus app. Go into the Sound Plus app where you get a welcome screen. So you connect, pretty much go here, connect which Jabra you happen to own. Tells you how to set everything up, Bluetooth settings and all of that. Also in the settings menu, this is where you can come and check out things for like firmware, voice guidance language. You can register online at Jabra's website. They have a digital reader user manual. Now let's walk through the preference section. When you have the phone and your headphones paired up, once you pair it one time, that's all you need to worry about. You don't have to go back into the Bluetooth settings, hit connect and what have you. Once they're pulled out of the charging cradle, it will automatically pair to the phone that you assigned it to. Now, there is a sound profile. They have the hear through technology, which allows you to have conversation with people without having to remove the earbuds themselves. It's also good for when you're running. It allows you to hear other noise, so you don't get so immersed in your music that you may miss a blowing horn or a biker or even stray animals that you may run across while you're running. It does have presets for the music. They have the default, which allows you to set it up any way you choose. It has a bass, but I'll let you know how I feel about that a little later on. Smooth, whereas you can see there's more of the mid-range, so this may be a good setting for things like jazz. Speech, I'm assuming, is for audiobooks. If those who like to listen to audiobooks, YouTube, podcasts, this would be a good setting for you. Treble boost, more along just having the vocals sounding as crisp as possible. And then energize. This could be things like workout music, maybe for people who go to a lot of those aerobic classes where there's a lot of high energy music. You can also have commute, for example, if you're, walking or riding, taking a train or something like that. You have that commuter sound on, which is pretty similar to the hear through. You can also have your own presets for your commute. It has the white noise setting where you can set up soundscapes. You can also add widgets here in this area, and right here it has a listing of the type of noise. You can have sounds of nature, pink noise, white noise, ventilation, waterfalls, comfort, ambience, those type of things. You'd be surprised what type of background noise people need to really concentrate. Then it have the active settings where you can hear sounds, surrounding sounds, like I said, without taking the earbuds out. It also can measure your activity, but a lot of people who run, they usually have wearables on, so those type of activities is usually monitored by smart watches and active wearables. So I don't understand why you would want another competing app in your life right now dealing with those type of things. There's also a voice assistant that will allow you to set up either the phone's default voice, or you can use Amazon's voice assistant just by pressing the left earbud. Your headphone assistant, you can have your call experience set. So during a call, you can hear the Jabra's default sound. You can hear more treble. You can set it for more bass. In a call, if you want to hear your own voice through the microphone, you can choose how much of your own voice you can hear by using this slider. Sometimes that can be somewhat annoying, but this is where you can cut it off at. Other than that, not much else I can say about these as of right now. If I had to give you my opinion of them, you might be more satisfied with a lesser brand. These are not bass heavy earbuds. I don't know too many earbuds that is bass heavy. I do know that even though I had set my own settings on the music EQ, I did find myself on certain songs and genres of music edging up the volume because I was always wanting a little bit more from the headphones themselves. To me, they're very mid-level. So again, if you're a person who's a bass heavy, stick to beats or those type of things. If you're a person that may like audiobooks, you like to listen to music where vocals is emphasized a little bit more over instrumentation, you may like these. Jazz, well, jazz do have some bass in it, but at the same time, jazz is more about mids, the horns, and things of that nature. Jazz listeners may like these, and like I said, if you're into audiobooks, these are great for active people. They are sweat and waterproof up to a certain point. You can get these wet. You can possibly find some cheaper alternatives, but as far as comfort, stealth features, battery life, if those things are important to you, then get these. I'm going to go ahead and possibly do a long-term review on these down the road and let you know my opinion of it, but this is just my initial thoughts to start off with. If you like this video, hey, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys out there for watching this video. And other than that, that pretty much does it with the Jabra Elite Active 65T. I'm out.